The TOTOLINK A2004NS AC1200 router is dual-band Wi-Fi. Delivers the fastest combined Wi-Fi speed up to 1187 megabit per second with 4 high-performance Ethernet and 4 gigabit LAN ports. A2004NS provides maximum range and high-speed LAN transfer. First, connect the modem to A2004NS Internet yellow port. Then power on the Wi-Fi router. For Wi-Fi connection, please connect your router's orange LAN port to your PC network interface. Then you can see the power, internet, Wi-Fi and connected LAN indicated are lighting. The CPU is flashing. It means it is working normally. Open any browser, type in 192.168.1.1. The pop-up shows 3 options. Setup 2 guides you to the router's home screen. Internet Visa is the easy setup for internet connection. Virus Visa is for quick virus setup. Here we click Internet Visa. Type in admin for username, admin for password. Choose automatic internet configuration. The router will detect whether the WAN interface is connected normally. Wait for a while. Type in the correct user ID and password provided by your ISP. Click Next. Save the setting and close the window. Now Internet is connected. Click Virus Visa to set up Wi-Fi. First 2.4G setting. Check your SSID. Click Next. Auto channel is provided. Click Next. Now choose the recommended encryption mode. Type in your Wi-Fi password. Click Apply and set 5G wireless network. Please do the 5G Wi-Fi setup the same as 2.4G. Check your SSID. Click Next. Auto channel is provided. Click Next. Now choose the recommended encryption mode. Type in your Wi-Fi password. Now you have finished the basic setting for A2004NS. Try any website to test the internet. For Wi-Fi devices, you can go to Settings. Click Wi-Fi. Choose TOTOLINK A2004NS or TOTOLINK A2004NS 5G. Enter the password you set. Internet connected. Enjoy your Wi-Fi world.